Let me say. You good?
What are you eating, Nikki?
Salad.
What kind of salad is that?
Arugula.
Arugula? And what else is in there?
I need the black pepper.
Oh, really? And you like it?
Uh-huh.
What kind? The pastrami?
No. Red wine vinegar.
You need a napkin?
Wasn't that funny? I said that. Kristen went, It's funny, right?
Yeah.
Eat.
Can I have some of my salad?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
What would you rather have, salad or cookies?
Salad.
Salad.
I want cookies. I want cookies.
Shh, both of you.
Me too, cookie.
Get lost.
Me cookie.